I don't see disability, I just see bad technology. Hi, I'm Bertolt Meyer, and I'll show you how to use technology to overcome your musical limits. In this masterclass, we'll look at my two favorite tools for finding inspiration for melody creation and beat making. We'll get into how you can use the Turing machine to come up with melodic ideas, and I'll also show you how to find a groove with the Euclidean sequences. So isn't there a way to get this directly in here? And that's exactly what we did with the Syn-Lymb. We can now even increase the scale a little further. Let's add a kick to that. Let's remove a few hits. And now you can move the pattern that you have. Everything I'll be showing is available on the VCV Rack program. I'm going to use a dedicated Max for Live plugin to generate additional rhythmical elements in a beat. Kind of a nice wobbly bass line. It makes it so much more interesting and groovy and developing. I hope my masterclass will inspire you in your own music journey.